Welcome to MyCyberCoach, a video series designed for veterans considering a transition from military service to a career in cybersecurity. I'm your host, Jason Shockey, and I'm excited to help you make the leap from service to cyber. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to our series. I'm a former service member just like you who retired in 2019 and now working in cybersecurity in the civilian sector. In today's episode, we're talking about something very powerful that many veterans bring to the table: security clearances. If you've got one, it's like having a golden ticket when stepping into cybersecurity. Let's dig into why that is and how you can leverage it to jumpstart your career in this field. First things first, many cybersecurity jobs, especially in government and defense contracting, require security clearances to even apply. Roles like cyber analyst, network security specialist, and cyber leader often need candidates with clearance, making it essential for access to certain sensitive data and systems. So what's the big deal? Having a clearance means that employers know you're already vetted for trustworthiness and able to work in secure environments. That can be a huge asset that gives you a leg up over other candidates who might have to wait months to get cleared. Veterans often already have clearance levels needed in cybersecurity like secret, top secret, or higher. And with your military background, you also bring key skills in situational awareness, strong understanding of protocols, and attention to detail. Those traits are gold in cybersecurity, where security is all about being vigilant, prepared, and proactive. For example, let's say you want to get into threat analysis or security operations. Employers know veterans like you have experience with classified information and secure protocols, which are essential for these roles. That's often exactly what hiring managers are looking for. So how can you leverage your clearance? First, be sure it's highlighted on your resume and LinkedIn profile. Many recruiters specifically search for cybersecurity professionals with clearances, so putting it front and center can make a big difference. Second, network with organizations that actively recruit cleared professionals. Companies in government contracting, defense, and even certain private sectors need security cleared candidates to manage and protect their data. And there are specific job boards like clearedjobs.net that focus on roles requiring a clearance. If you've already got that security clearance, know that it's more than just a check mark. It's an advantage that can open doors in cybersecurity. And for all you veterans, remember, you've already got the skills, the discipline, and the dedication. With the right focus, you can make this transition. Thanks for watching MyCyberCoach. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.